hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about body hair removal. And I went weeks without waxing my body hair just for the purpose of this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove your hair from head to toe, face, body, and bikini using Glee hair removal products. I've been trying these products for a while because I didn't want to just jump on here, tell you guys these are good without even trying them. So I've tried these products out for a while, and when I tell you they're good, these products are good. So affordable, so easy to use, super beginner friendly. I'm gonna try to show you all the products right now, but it's not gonna be easy. Look at all the products! I just want to thank Joy and Glee for sponsoring this video. If you want to get these products, you can get them at your local Walmart, online or in store. So a little disclaimer before we start this video. If you love to rock your natural hair all over your body, then do that. Embrace it, love it. Don't worry about what society thinks or what others think. If you like your body hair, keep it on your body and do you. But I personally find it uncomfortable when my body hair grows too long. That's when it starts to get uncomfortable. It starts to get that little scratching feeling, and it's just not good. Before I begin this video, don't forget to like, comment down below. Anything helps with my engagement, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's just get right into this video. I received 5 of their products. The Glee waxes come in face, bikini, and body wax versions. Each pack includes wax strips and post-application wipes. And there's an instruction manual that is easy to follow and has pictures to help you understand the steps. These wax strips smells like raspberries, and there's no need to rub this wax strip or heat it up before use. Now onto the body hair removal creams. The Glee body hair removal creams give you long-lasting results with 2 to 5 minutes for your face and 3 to 5 minutes for your body. And they are honeydew melon scented. First is the Glee facial hair removal creams. This box comes with 3 tubes inside. 2 are the hair removal creams and 1 is the finishing cream to use after you're done removing the hairs. The hair removal creams have a doe foot applicator, which makes it super fast to swipe on the product, and you don't need to touch the cream with your fingers to apply it. The face hair removal creams also come with a little spatula to remove the product, and also an instruction manual with easy to follow directions. Finally, we have the body hair removal cream. This comes with a squeeze tube with a spatula. Not everyone likes hair removal creams and not everyone likes wax strips, so you can choose which one better fits your needs. Now onto the demonstration portion of this video. I'm in my washroom right now because that's usually where I do my body hair removal routine, and I am in my nice robe that my grandma gave me a long time ago. Super cute. That has butterflies on it. And first we are going to be starting on the face. To use the Glee face wax strips, and we are going to dump the products out and read the instruction manual before you start so you know what you're doing. Step number 1 is to clean and dry your skin. Before waxing with the Glee products, you have to make sure that your skin is clean and dry and ready to get smoothed. Step number 2 is to apply the wax strips in the same direction as hair growth. So take a minute to grab a mirror, look at your hairs, and really see which direction they're going in. Then you peel apart the wax strips and you apply it in the direction of hair growth. So mine was growing to the right, so I applied the strip in the same direction. Don't I look fabulous with this wax strip mustache? I think so. Okay, this is the part where you may need to take a deep breath because we're going to remove the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. So just hold your skin taut and just rip it off. It's gonna sting a little bit, but you'll be okay. And I zoomed up on this wax strip just so you can see my beauty mark had so much hair on it. Do you see that? It felt so smooth afterwards. Now that the hair is out of the way, the most important step is to treat your skin with the Dry Touch Glee finishing wipe. Using this will remove any of the excess wax, and it contains soothing almond oil to leave your skin nice, smooth, and soft for up to 28 days. I just used the towel to blot off some of the excess of the wipe because it was a bit too much on my face, but look at my skin now. Oh, she looks so smooth and hairless. Now we are going to be using the hair removal face cream. I know we already used the wax, but I just wanted to demonstrate how you would use the cream. Step number 1 is the same for cream as it is for wax, and that is to make sure that your skin is clean and dry without any cuts, rashes, or scrapes. Step number 2 is to apply a thin layer of the cream and make sure that all the hairs are completely covered. The tube applicator makes it so easy to apply the cream nice and thin and precise. Then we leave the cream on our face for 2 to 5 minutes. I am only leaving it on for 2 minutes since I already waxed my face. And while you're waiting, you can hop in the shower to be productive, but I decide to just jam out singing into my toothbrush. When the time is up, we take our hair removal spatula to scrape off the cream and hair. If it's not ready yet, you can leave it on for a couple more minutes, but no more than 5 minutes for your face. And then once you remove all of the cream, you just rinse off your skin, your hands, and the spatula. Now that we said goodbye to them face hairs, we are going to apply the finishing cream. I just like to squeeze it directly on my face and use my finger to massage the cream in, and it just leaves your skin feeling nice and soothed and smooth. That is all for the face hair removal using the hair removal cream and wax strips. Now on to my hairy armpits. We are going to be using the Glee body hair removal cream. I initially squeezed the cream onto the spatula to apply it, but I found it way easier to just apply the cream on with my hands. The spatula was just taking way too long and I was impatient. But if you really don't want to touch the cream, then I recommend using the spatula or applying this on with gloves. I'm applying a thin layer on my clean and dry armpits. The process with the body cream is similar to the face hair removal cream. So number 1, make sure your skin is dry and clean. Apply a thin layer and leave it on for the recommended amount of time, which is 3 to 7 minutes for the body cream. Now that the time is up, we are going to take the hair removal spatula and scrape the product off. And as you can see, one swipe and boom, so much hair came off. And it's honestly so satisfying scraping off all those hair strands. Like it's so cool to watch. When you're done scraping off all the cream, your skin is left smooth like a baby's bottom. And for the body hair removal cream, you don't need a finishing cream when you're done. You can just hop in the shower, wash your skin to make sure all the residue is off. And just like magic, my armpits are magically hairless, looking so nice and smooth. For the bikini area, we are going to be using the bikini wax strips. So of course, the first thing we did was make sure that our skin is clean and dry. Step number 1, now we are taking the wax strip and pulling it apart. We are going to look at the hairs, see what direction they're growing in. They were going downwards, so we are going to apply the strip in a downwards motion, and then we pull the skin taut and rip off the wax strip in the opposite direction. And look at all those hair strands that came off. Now we're just going to continue this process. And once again, these wax strips don't require any rubbing or heating for use, which is perfect for beginners or people who are limited on time. Then we clean up the excess wax residue with the finishing wipe, and boom, now we're done with the bikini area. Look at her, she looks nice, smooth, and shiny. We are going to finish off this demonstration on my legs using the Glee body hair removal cream on one leg and the Glee body wax on the other leg. For the body products, you aren't restricted to just your legs. You can obviously apply them to your armpits and your arms and anywhere that's not the face. The face products are meant directly for the face, but the body one, you can use it anywhere on your body. I'm not going to explain the directions again because I feel like right now it's getting repetitive, but the cream follows the same directions as the other creams, just with different times. So obviously body cream, you leave it on for 3 to max 7 minutes, no more than 7 minutes. And then when the time is up, you take the hair removal spatula to scrape off the cream and hair, and then rinse off any residue with water. And then on the other leg, we are taking the Glee body wax and applying it to a clean and dry leg in the direction of hair growth, holding skin taut and removing in the opposite direction. Then when you're done, take the finishing wipe and boom, now I have smooth hairless results that will last up to 3 weeks. Now that I don't need to worry about shaving every day, I have more time to eat cookie dough ice cream and binge watch Netflix. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Overall, I enjoy using these Glee products. My pros with these products are that they're affordable. Number 1, most important one, is that they're affordable. They're super easy to use, mess-free. Anyone can use these products and not worry about burning themselves, hurting themselves, accidentally waxing the wrong parts, and this, that, and the other. It's pretty straightforward. The packaging is sleek, modern, trendy. Compared to other waxes and hair removal creams, these products smell really good. Thank you again, Joy and Glee, for sponsoring this video. Once again, all the products will be listed down below and are available at your local Walmart. I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!